Hi everyone, welcome to our showroom. Thank you so much for joining us today. I'm Grace and I'm a senior designer here at KI in London. Following Kay Sargent's session about neurodiversity, we wanted to share with you something we've been working on for the last 18 months. This is it, it's called Colonnade. Colonnade is a system that revolves around maximum user controllability. It creates a sense of place by controlling the chaos created by flexible working and scrumming. It can be fitted as new or it can be retrofitted using your existing KI furniture. It also helps break the open plan office by creating a sense of place. It is built around our existing 800 series storage and shelving ranges. We've added a gantry system that allows you to hook accessories, making it your own. As we saw during Kay's presentation, this is particularly helpful for neurodiverse as well as neurotypical individuals. Some of the accessories we offer are mobile self-seating, whiteboards and pinboards, acoustic panels and curtains. All of this helps you make the space your own by adding different textures and materials. Colonnade was built for hacking and ultimate customization. If you have a project in mind for our client, we would love to hear from you. If you have any comments or questions, please let us know. Thank you.